Pokemon Go, 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 Pokemon Go. Yo guys, what's up man? It's time to unbox the Nintendo Switch. So let's open the box. Let's get rid of this box and look at the Nintendo Switch. Let's have a look at it. Alright. Looking good. Where's the opening? How do we open this? Ah, found it. It's right here. It's right here. Plug it in. Alright. Charge. Some basic stuff. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Yo! First time seeing the Switch. Let me see if I can show y'all. Yo, look at this. Let me feel the joycons with the red one first. Yo. Let's get it out of the... Yo, it feels so nice. Yo! It got small buttons, but I think I'll get used to it. And the analog is pretty small too. This is how one joycon fits in my hand. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. But it has like R and ZR on it. This is the right one, okay. It has a nice click, man. I want to keep doing this the whole time. Yo, I want to click. Oh man, this feels so great. Plus button too. The colors look so good, man. Yo, look at this, man. Alright, so it's really small, the X, Y, A, B buttons. Alright, let me move on to the next Joy-Con. Let me get the blue one. See what the blue one is like. Alright. Ooh, is the blue one heavier? Is it heavier? I don't know. Alright, so the analog is up there. Buttons are below. Let's compare them. Wow. Is it the same measure? Alright. Interesting. This is the capture button, the home button, the analog. It does feel a little small to me. I got big hands. Nothing's happening on the side here, alright. I don't know if I'll get used to this. Let's move on to the main attraction. Or is this the main attraction? I don't know. Alright, now the main attraction. Let's pop out the screen. Pretty heavy. Let me compare it to the gamepad. It's almost the same. Oh, yo! I almost dropped my my screen. So let's compare them. Yo, let me have a good look at it. Yo, ho. Here's the screen, alright. Wow. This is the back of it. It already has fingerprints. See? Yeah. Let me try this. Ooh! The click! Did you hear the click? Yo! That was satisfying. This is where this goes. My micro SD USB Type-C. Alright. Alright, let me put this aside and see what else is in the box before I attach the Joy-Cons and start the fun. Nice weight to it. It's heavy but not too heavy. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright, let's put this away. Nothing here. Oh, the Joy-Con straps. We got a black strap. I hope there's two in it. There's gotta be two. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Here's the other one. I don't know which one is right or left. Maybe there's no the right and left in this. Here's the second one. I wanted the red and blue one. But okay. What else is in here? What else is in here? Oh, this is the grip. This is the grip. Alright, so this is the grip. Ooh. Not too bad. It's not too bad. No. Let's see what else is in the box. What's in the box? Ooh, cables. And we got a dock, I think. Let me see. What is this? This gotta be the dock. Ooh, the logo looks so clean. Really a good size. So portable. Alright, here are the two USB ports. This is the LED indicator for the light. What else we got? We got the back with a flip thing. AC adapter USB 3.0. HDMI. It's so light. Then put the dock away, get the cables out. We got some books. Nintendo Switch. Who reads books? I don't read books. Is there an opening? Alright, here's the power cable. Ooh, this is the first time I'm seeing USB Type-C, by the way. Let me get the HDMI. Alright, HDMI cable looking good. Let me get rid of the box and try out the grip with the Joy-Cons. Get this away. Alright, here's the nice box again. Ooh. Joy-Cons everywhere. Joy-Con boys, let's go. Let me slide it in. How do you slide this in? Let me see. Ooh, there we go. Alright. The actual one is clicked in. Now the other one. Ooh. This is not gonna be my favorite. It's kind of small. I don't think I'll be using this much. Oh! A detail I missed with the red Joy-Con. It has a IR sensor or something. This is the puppy. Woof woof. Now let's detach them. Alright, that's one. Detach the other. Press the button, of course. Let's see what the click will sound like. Now let's try this one. The screen is pretty big. What I miss is a grip right here on the Joy-Cons to back up my hands. Because maybe, I don't know, maybe my hands are too big for this. Look, it's my whole thumb. The Joy-Cons are my thumb. But it looks nice. I can't wait to turn it on. The dock has little rubber pads, so when you put it down, it doesn't move. Let's put it in. Alright, I guess it's in now. It still moves around. I can't put it aside. Alright, it's in. It's a little shaky still. I think I forgot to look at the game card slot. Here's the fan. Let me check the game card slot. Oh, the headphone jack is right next to it. So this is where the game card goes in. I don't know if you can see it. But okay, it looks pretty portable. Let me put it in tabletop mode. Yo, that click is much nicer than the Joy-Con clicks. Alright, cool. Nice. So, here we can see. Yay! Let's get strapping. What is up, what is down? I guess it's like this. Yo, nice. Let me put it on the arm. Alright, let's put the right one on. Yeah, like that. This is the right one. Alright. Ooh, the buttons. I haven't seen. Alright, bigger Joy-Cons now. Cool. Want to switch? Let's go. Alright. So, this concludes the unboxing actually. Alright. My first console that I unboxed. There it is, the Nintendo Switch. Alright, we got the two Joy-Cons and the screen. With the dock and the grip. Alright, I'll start hooking this up and play some. See you in the next unboxing. Alright. Peace.